this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to uninstall FL Studio from your Windows computer. It is super simple to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Windows computer like you usually would. Then from here you need to go down to Start and click Remove Program. Then on the best match, it should be looking something like Add or Remove Programs. Then you need to click Enter. Then from here you need to search on the search bar up here, click FL Studio. And then you can see two options. You can see FL Studio SEO and FL Studio and the number that you have downloaded. Then you just need to click on the three dots over here and click Uninstall on both of them. Uninstall. Then this page is going to be popping up, and here you can click Next. You can remove Settings too, and click Next and Uninstall. And as you can see now, it is removing files. This can take anywhere between a couple seconds to a couple minutes depending on how fast your computer are. Then from here you just need to click Finish when it's done. And now it's time for FL Studio SEO. Just uninstall it, click Yes, and click Next and Uninstall, like so. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!